Now we'll discuss about the short run supply curve of the competitive firm. So normally what do we mean by supply curve? Supply curve represents the relationship between price, market price and quantity supplied by an individual firm. So in this case we will consider a competitive firm. So just we have to understand one thing, that at each price level, the equilibrium level of output is determined on the marginal cost curve. Because competitive equilibrium, that has two conditions. So number one is price equals to MC, and number two, that MC must be upward rising. So definitely there is no meaning of considering the downward sloping part of the MC. So at each price level, the equilibrium quantity will be determined by the intersection point of price and demand curve and marginal cost curve. Demand curve equals to, we know that P equals to MR is the demand curve of a competitive firm. So that means if we say that this is the marginal cost and this is the price, definitely this will be the equilibrium point, and we will find the quantity accordingly. So at each price level, the equilibrium quantity is determined by the intersection of demand curve and marginal cost curve. So so far we have discussed, we can say that the equilibrium, the supply curve will definitely be the portion of the upward rising marginal cost curve. But second thing we have to remember, that the entire upward rising part of the marginal cost curve is not the supply curve of the firm. So let's discuss it. So if we consider Q and vertical axis, we are measuring price, revenue and cost. So this is the short run average variable cost curve, and this is the short run average cost curve. So now this is the short run marginal cost curve. So we can say that after the level OQ dash, output level OQ dash, the marginal cost curve is upward rising. But question is that, is the entire part starting from OQ dash is the supply curve? The answer is no. Because if we consider the price level OP0, so what will be the equilibrium level of output? Theoretically, the equilibrium point is, we can say that E0, and output level should be OQ0. But is it correct? The answer is no. Because we know that if price falls below this OP1, the output level, the firm will leave the market. So because this point E1 is the shutdown point of the firm. So there will be no, in the short run, there will be no existence of the supply curve below this point E1. So if price is P1, the minimum supply price should be OP1. If the price is below OP1, the supply of the firm will be 0. But if the price rises above OP1, if we find it, the price OP2, equilibrium point will be E2, and equilibrium quantity will be here OQ1, OQ2. So here the firm is facing loss, but still the firm will remain in the market. If there is further rise in price, we find this point, equilibrium will be E3. If price rises to P3, P3, equilibrium point will be E3 and equilibrium quantity will be OQ3. That means here, this is the break-even point. The firm is enjoying normal profit. So from here, so starting above O, if the price rises above OP1, higher the price, higher will be the quantity supplied. And it will be determined, how much will be supplied, that will be determined by the marginal cost curve. So that's why starting from the marginal cost curve, starting from the point, shutdown point, this upward rising part of the marginal cost curve is definitely the supply curve of a competitive firm. And we know, we have already discussed how can we derive the market supply curve by using the individual supply curves. So this is how we can derive the short run supply curve of a competitive firm.